This lady made $500,000 in a single month and earned $340,000 in just 24 hours. Meet Sorelle Amore, and she became a millionaire at just 30 years old. She owns 3 properties outright, all bought with cash. And here's the crazy part. She went from being so broke she had to ask her dad for rent money, and he literally made her write a business proposal for it like she was applying for a bank loan, to making over $1 million through YouTube and online courses. So how did this broke 27-year-old go from "Dad, can I borrow $800" to "I just bought 3 houses with cash, no big deal"? And what's a secret that doesn't involve asking your parents for money? Well, you're about to find out. She actually started her money obsession when she was just 2 years old. And I mean, literally obsessed. Her mom took her to a theme park and gave her coins to spend. And while her siblings bought candy and toys, Sorelle just kept the money. Like, who does that at 12 years old? Most toddlers would eat the coins. By 12, she was washing cars for her uncle and earning $20 a day plus pizza. She thought she was basically Warren Buffett at this point. At 15, she was working in cafes, and by 18, she had 4 jobs while studying full-time. 4 jobs. She was collecting jobs like Pokemon cards. But here's where it gets interesting. She tried starting businesses before and failed spectacularly. Her first business was called Pineapple Passion, which sounds like it should make millions, but she was too scared to actually sell anything. So it was just basically an expensive hobby blog where she posted pretty pictures and made $0. Then she thought, I know, I'll make makeup brushes, and promptly lost $10,000 when nobody bought them. Turns out, people don't just throw money at random makeup brushes. Who knew? At 27, she moved to Iceland. And if you've ever been to Iceland, you know, it's basically like living in a luxury hotel where everything costs your firstborn child. She was down to $10,000 with $800 rent due, which is like having $5 and needing to buy a Starbucks coffee. So she had to call her dad for help. And this man, this absolute legend, made her write a business proposal and charged her interest like she was applying for a small business loan. Imagine getting a PowerPoint presentation from your own daughter asking for rent money. But then something crazy happened. She entered the contest called Best Job on the Planet because apparently that's a real thing and not just something you see in movies. Out of 17,000 people who probably submitted videos of themselves doing weird stuff, she actually won. The prize? Travel the world for 3 months and get paid $10,000 per month to basically be a professional tourist. This is when she had her aha moment, like when you finally understand how to use TikTok but for making money. All her random skills in marketing, photography, and social media suddenly clicks together like some kind of money-making Voltron. And that's when she finally started the YouTube channel she'd been procrastinating on for 6 years. 6 years, that's longer than most people take to get a college degree, and she just spent it in just thinking about making videos. For the next 2.5 years, she became a content machine, posting videos like her life depended on it. Her main channel grew to 1 million subscribers, which is basically like having a small country follow your every move. Her Instagram hit 500,000 followers, and suddenly everyone wanted to know what she had for breakfast. Then in 2018-2019, the money printer went brrrr. She launched 2 online courses and made $640,000 in revenue in just 2 years. That's more than most people make in a decade. And she did it by just teaching people stuff on the internet. But here's where it gets absolutely bonkers. In 2020, you know, that year when everyone was stuck at home eating sourdough bread and learning TikTok dances, she made $500,000 in a single month. And get this, $340,000 of that came in just 24 hours from course sales. That means she made more money in a single day than most people make in 10 years. She probably woke up, checked her phone, and was like, oh cool, I'm rich again. That same year, she went full on monopoly mode and bought 3 properties with straight cash. No loans, no mortgages, just walked in like, I'll take that house, and that house over there, and here's a briefcase full of money. In December 2019, just before turning 31, she officially became a millionaire with over $1 million. So what's Sorelle's secret to building wealth so fast? She discovered the magical world of digital products that can scale, aka the closest thing to a money tree that actually exists. Online courses are like the holy grail of making money. No inventory cluttering up your garage, no shipping boxes until 2 a.m, and no dealing with angry customers because their package got lost. You create it once and it can sail while you are sleeping, eating pizza, or binge watching Netflix. And with the right marketing and audience, you can make hundreds of thousands faster than you can say cryptocurrency crash. But here's the plot twist that everyone misses. She spent years building her skills and audience before the money tsunami hit. The overnight success took over a decade of preparation. It's like training for the Olympics, but instead of a gold medal, you get a gold bank account. Sorelle's advice for anyone wanting to build wealth online: start building your personal brand and audience now, even if you don't know how you monetize it yet. Don't be afraid to sell. That's what turns a hobby into a business. And most importantly, keep going even when you are down to your last dollar. And she says, overnight success doesn't happen overnight, but your life can change in a single moment if you keep going. If Sorelle's story made you want to quit your day job and become a YouTube millionaire, hold up, wait until you hear about this 17-year-old kid who built a $30,000 per month business just selling services and making more money than most doctors at just 17 years old.